My name's Leslie Weinstein. I'm the founder and owner of TrueLock. It was formed and founded back in the early 90s. I first started off with the M1 tanks. Because of the fasteners, nuts and bolts continuously coming loose, I've always said there's got to be a better way. Fasteners have a tendency to work themselves loose. Anytime a fastener is working itself loose, your components that it's attached to, it causes premature wear to all the accessories. Anytime you can keep a product clamped together, you reduce all this premature wear and failure.
Yeah, my name's Gary Iverson. I run Precision Flight Training. I've been on the field here since 1994 as a flight instructor, and I'm an A&P mechanic with an IA, and I'm also a designated practical examiner for the FAA. I had one of these set up for an M1 tank, and I said, and we just led into the conversation into aviation, and he has the STC for all these airplanes, and he asked if I'd be interested. I says, well, crud, that's going to be a beneficial thing to any airplane that has it. So absolutely I wanted to see it. So he demoed it to me, I put it on one wheel, that's it, I was sold. So I had to have it on both my airplanes at the time. You know, over time, you'll save enough mechanics time at $70 to $100 an hour to pay for the kit. And then you get all the benefits to the side, which is the reduced wear on the bearings, reduced wear on the tires, so you get longer life, less downtime. And those are the things that are most important to me.
My name is Tim Henderson. I'm the Director of Maintenance for the Idaho Division of Aeronautics, and I hold an A&P with an inspection authorization. This aircraft was, we got it from the U.S. Army. The main purpose is just to provide transportation to state agencies. I found out about it through our contract maintenance, Turbo Air, and so I talked to Rob Sievers about it and looked at the system and decided it was a pretty good system. It gets rid of the cotter key, and that was my biggest selling point. It gets rid of that part that you have to throw away, and yet it still provides a positive lock. It's designed as a safety device. We had this system put on probably, I don't know, 6 or 8 years ago.
A while back I was called Leslie and I had an issue. It was my own fault. I had spread the clamp too far and the ring was, it just didn't look like it was tightening down enough. And I called Leslie and I says, how much are they? He says, these things are guaranteed. Oh, that's cool. And later on I had a problem with one of the sockets. I think I'd either dropped it or done something, and he stood behind it and sent it. So you sure can't beat the warranty. They're warranted for life, and the guy stands behind his product 100%. So, and that's what I told Drew and the rest of the guys here, that if they get it, they don't have to worry about it, the company going out of business or not being able to get replacement parts. So.
The parts themselves are aviation quality parts. It's a good design. I like the design better. The design that TrueLock uses better than the design the Cessna used back in 1958. The warranty, to tell you the truth, I don't know, but I don't care either because they're good quality parts and they're going to be fine.
He does guarantee the product. You know, what the written words and statements of it, I couldn't tell you that. But we haven't had any problems with the pieces and parts wearing out to where we've had to replace anything. The old style, the snap rings, they wore out occasionally, but with the new circlip springs, those aren't wearing out. Leslie's been very good to work with, and a plethora of knowledge with what he's done. He knows his product very well. He's spent many years developing it and promoting it. So.
I don't know a thing about the TrueLock guarantee because I've never had to look into it. I've got a little card that says something, but I don't know what it says. Does it say lifetime?
Working with TrueLock has been very easy. I've found that the parts are quite available, and I haven't needed parts for them because they're good quality parts and you just reuse them. They're reusable. There isn't any part on that that doesn't go back on, and if you take care of them, which anyone would do working on an airplane, there's no issue.
I never even asked. I knew Leslie. His integrity is so high. If I had a problem, he'd take care of it. I never asked if there was a warranty at all. Didn't have to. Once you know the man behind it, then you're buying what he is selling you. And in this case, I knew him well enough. There was no question. My guess is he has a lifetime warranty. I just don't know. I don't care.
Yes.
He'll make it right.
Yes.
Yeah, he will.